Okay, in this video I would like to provide you some feedback about the previous homework and the homework of Math 1 in the previous sections and the whole thing. First, you go to your course content. You can see I have already uploaded the 1.6 video and a 1.5 video, and I help you how to do it. Here is the class average. So far, most of you are doing fantastic job. There's always have one or two students miss the deadline. I just don't know. I hope all of you can finish it on time. But majority of you, everyone's doing fantastic job. Okay, I appreciate it. And you can do section 1.5, which is due tomorrow. And I provided a video to explain how to do every problem. You basically set up the model, and then you solve the quadratic equations like that. Okay, but in this section, there is a big problem. Is question 20, and once you go to question 20, oh, by the way, if you go to homework, you have more than just homework. When you see that, you click all assignments. Okay, all assignments, not just the homework, all assignments. You will be able to see after 1.5, 1.6, you're going to have a quiz one. Unit quiz one is there. Is going to be, you have 2 chances to try it. Okay, 2 chances to try it. It has 100 minutes time limit. You have to prepare 2 hours and do your take the quiz. Okay, because it has a time limit, pretty much like a short test. So it should be enough for you to finish that 25 questions. And you submit it. If it's not good, you can try it again. It will automatically choose the higher score. So now the problem is, that's why we say 1.5 is question 20. When you go to question 20, you click this one, this picture here. It's not working, you see? It doesn't show me anything. But now what you need to do, you need to go to download. Okay? Download the Pearson CDF player. So Pearson CDF player. You Google this Pearson CDF player, then you click there, Pearson Wolf Ramsey plan, and then name, just any name, and status, student, faculty, teacher, school. You can do that. And because I downloaded this one before, I'm not sure if it will allow me to do that, but I think it should be fine. So we just start this teacher and choose. You don't have to choose a student, and you can choose start download. Click it, and then it automatically start right here. I have to cancel this one. You start here. You can say CDF player 11 Windows. You can choose different version, and it has 1 gigabyte. It's a big one, but here, since my internet speed is not that bad, it's about take me up maybe 2 minutes to finish that. It's not a big problem. For you, if your internet speed is not very slow, probably it takes more time. Or if you have some special software can help you download faster, or you find a way to download this player, it helps because we have several questions like this in the few sections. So I really hope everyone can download this software and study. You don't have to pay anything, you just download software. It's mathematics student edition and it's interactive software. While we are waiting for this software, let's go back to do something else. Okay, so as you've probably noticed that in your you have your group assignment. I wish everyone got involved in the group assignment, and group 7 right now is doing a fantastic job, and they have already say who is doing A, who is doing B, who is doing C, who is doing D. So they are a very good job, and they have already do almost down. I think almost finish everything. So I think everyone should be like contribute in your group because it's a teamwork. You have to learn how to cooperate with others and how to effectively communicate with each other. As I said, you can go to activities, groups, and you can find your groups. Say if you are in group 3, you can see your group numbers. Who are your group numbers? Then you can choose email. If you go, let me say, if I view as a student, then I go to groups, and you can email your whole group what you want to tell them. You want to do that. just be polite when you see your teammates' email. Reply them even you are busy. You say, okay, I'm busy. I hopefully I can do this when you're going to do this. It's very important you cooperate with each other. Okay, if you don't respond your teammates' email, it's like pretty much you send an email to another person. Do you respond them? Do you expect them to reply you? You want everyone to reply you, right? Especially it's one of your work, one of your job. Okay, so just to cooperate with each other. Even if you can't do it, you still have to reply your teammates' email and say, for example, they ask you what to do. You still have to be honest, say, oh, I cannot do this. Could you please help me? Well, how am I going to do that? And help give me some ideas how I'm going to do that. Probably your teammates can work together. Just if you ignore this, your teammate or other teammates cannot do anything, and they don't know if you are going to do it or not. Just you have to share with each other your schedule, what you can do. Okay, so it's very important. Now my CDF player is ready, so it's done already, and I just install it. I just run this software. And where is it? Okay, it asked me to install that, and I just let it go and continue and install that one. It probably take another 2 minutes or so to finish that. That's the group assignment project. Okay, your written assignment problems, you should be able to find out similar problems from your homework. Okay. I think we have to wait for another 2 or 3 minutes to let it run. I did actually install this software before. I just now installed it just to let you know you can do that and show you the whole process how it is working. Okay. I think everyone's doing okay. Let's share something with you. You can say that. Leave this one. We'll go back on that one again later. And you can see the assignments, the average of each section. I've uploaded that. It's 90 and 92, and most of you doing very good job. I hope you keep it up. Okay. And you click your assignment, your homework, and then choose all assignment. And you can see when everything is due, when it's due, and you have unit quiz. Okay, then next week you have next Monday you have 1.6. Then when is that? 23. Wednesday you have a written assignment due. 23rd you have a quiz due. 24th you have 2.1 due. Okay. It's a little bit slow, but we just wait and see. Because I've already provided videos for all the questions. Like this is Math 240. The other class I provide videos. I recorded videos for that class too. Let me see this one. You as a student. Okay. So 1.6. You can watch 1.5. You can finish that. If you need to watch this video in a different page, you just click that section 1.5 here. You just click this one, and it's going to open it in a different page. And then you just can choose 720 HD. It should be very clear for you to watch. Okay. Still waiting. Let me see if there's any other questions I can help you with. Well, by the way, if you have sometimes, for example, you say, during that week I need to go out of town. We have something you have in plan. I prefer you working ahead of the schedule. Okay, I really don't like the student say, I would like you to give me extension to doing that work, because if I give you extension, the next week you're going to have a bunch of work, like 5 or 6 homeworks due. Then it's not a good idea to push it off. Instead of pushing it off to the later, I would like to prefer you work well ahead of the schedule to finish it earlier. If you need to go out of somewhere, okay, then you finish it earlier. You can take a week off and then come back and work. You don't have anything due. Okay, so hopefully it's going to run in the software like in 1 minute. Okay, so what it says. Because I installed that one before, so now they ask me something. Okay, now so now it's working. I successfully installed the software. Let's see if we go back to that question again. It's 1.5. I click 20. See what happened. If I click this one here, because I didn't choose to open that one, so now you can cancel that. Let me see. You can open that software. You run it. Okay. So then. Okay, then you can open the then you can open it like this. Okay. Maybe your computer will automatically choose the software. If not, you can save that file, then open it from the software like this. Then you can see you can change the X and change the fold direction. It's like this. Okay, it's a fold and create a box. Then you can work on your problems. So let's see what is the problem. I have to choose always. Let me choose that software properties. I always open with change that open with that. That's right. You change your open with the CDF player and always we say OK. Okay, now let me see again. And then you can open it. You see, it's open like in this. So now, what is that? It's click to reset the button in the up right corner. Say that direction, value size of X. What is the value for X that results in a largest square cut from each corner? So now you have 20 times 32 pieces of paper, and by cutting out squares from each corner that at least 2 by 2, folding up 4 sides, find the domain of resulting function's maximum volume, and you set up this as x. Then this is 20 minus 2x. The other one is 32 minus 2x. Then you have a volume. You have your software. You have your volume is going to be parenthesis 20 minus 2x times parenthesis 32 minus 2x times x. Okay. I think you can. It's very much like the one we did before. Like showing what is the value that actually is our largest square cut from that. I think they ask you just for area, don't do volume. This is a volume. So you just need to figure out that what is your x, what is your y. 20 minus 2x times 32. 20 minus 2x times 32 minus 2x. Okay, that is the area. Check the shown box. Use the xi vary size. What's the value for xi that requires the largest square cut? Okay, from each corner. That's how x equals. Then you complete a square. Okay, if you need help and you let me know, you have a function. Then negative is 4x squared. Okay, say I'll just stop here, and if you need help, just let me know. Okay.